Hi guys, let's install some aftermarket turning signals LED LED for the Harley Davidson Lowrider S 2022. I already installed one, so I'm going to do the next one together. Very easy. So I'm going to show you the difference right now. This is the LED smoked one I installed. It's looking very good. And this is the OEM one. Let's replace this one. First thing you gotta do is take a flathead screwdriver. You need the flathead screwdriver to pop out the OEM plastic. How does it work? If you have to search for the little place where you can put it. I don't know if you can see it, it's here. So if you just put the flathead screwdriver in, twist it to the right, to the left, see? It pops out. Easy as that. Okay, so let's take out plastic. And now you can see the OEM light. It's just a standard halogen light, and let's replace that. Put this aside. I would suggest not throwing it away. Keep it in your garage. If ever the LED one goes bad, you still have the OEM. To take out the halogen, you need to push in and twist. But keep in mind, don't touch it with your fingers. If you want to use it later, the oil on your fingers can destroy the bulb. So I'm just going to use something. Push it in, twist, and it comes right out. Okay, it's easy as that. The front one has a little oil on them. I don't know if you can see it. There's a little oil on it. So let's put this oil on the new one. If you are buying new ones, there's a difference between 1156, I don't know if you can see it, 1156 and 1157. The 1156 is just a blinker. So if you turn on the bike, no light. If you blink, it blinks. If you take the 1157, it has a daylight. And it also has a blinker. So if you are just running your bike, turning signal isn't on, you still have a little halo that's lighting up. That's very nice, but not all bikes have them. If you want to know if you have a 56 or 57, the difference is in the light bulb. You see this only has one spot, so this is a 56. If you want to have the 57, it has two little spots. You can replace it, but if you want to go from a 56 to 57, you have to replace the wiring from the bike all to the ECU. So that's a little more work. So I didn't do that. I just took the normal blinkers. So let's unbox it. Blinker I have is in plastic, and it looks like this. It's the same bulb, you can see the same bulb, and it's one piece with a little protection over it. It's just plug and play. So let's install this one. But first, take the little grease, that's the little oil that's on the OEM blinker, and put it on there. I don't know what it's for, but if it's there, it can't harm anything if you want to put it on a new one. So let's install the new one. To install this is also push and turn. So push it in and give it a little turn. You give it a little turn, it stays in. Then you just have to put the wiring inside and push it in. If it's all nice and snug, if it's all good, you can take off the protection film, and that's the blinkers. Okay, the halo is on. Let's put on the blinkers. Easy as that, and you have two nice LED blinkers. If you turn them off, they are all smoked, blacked out. I think this looks way better than the original, and it's an easy install. Okay guys, thanks for watching. See you next time.